Good afternoon, man. Today I am here to play my role presentation, and my name is Marpreet Singh. My student ID is 106789, and my company name is Barfoot and Thompson. And firstly, I would like to introduce my company. In the introduction, operation management at Barfoot Thompson plays a vital role in determining the number of success or failures that this company achieves in the real estate market. This business is successful due to the quick administration of property transaction, simplified operations, and effective workforce. Operational excellence increases satisfaction level and helping customers build trust in the quality of products and services. In the next step, I will like to share the points about the goods and service. Among the services provided by Barfoot and Thompson are property management, commercial transactions, rural and lifestyle properties, offer auctions, project marketing, as well as property value. The company focuses on professionalism, community engagement, and technical advancement to improve the customer experience in general. With their reputation for integrity and customer service, Barfoot and Thompson remains an important part of New Zealand real estate industry. Nextly, I would like to share my points about the improvement in operations. Barfoot and Thompson operations is improved using the multi-dimensional approach. The company implements the quality real estate management software that allows automatic processes without manpower, improves the online presence of this company by redesigning its website and digital platforms using virtual tools as needed. The company management conduct an analysis of market trend and customer behaviors using data analytics tools to back up strategic decisions. Employee training is also provided to adapt changing trends in the industry and technical development. Next, there are some issues and challenges faced by the Barfoot and Thompson. Economic uncertainties and market volatilities are the current challenges of Barfoot and Thompson because they directly affect buyers' choice to buy, sell, or rent properties either low or high levels, while for sellers buying from others. Both compliance and the process of adaptation to new legal regulations related to the real estate sector are sometimes complicated due to regulatory changes that should be in place. The markets are highly competitive, as such innovation has to be done regularly and one stands out from the crowd with much dedication. Next, there are some elements and approaches. Key elements and approaches employed by Barfoot and Thompson make the company as a leader in the real estate firm. The company focuses on the innovative technology using state-of-the-art software for property management and various online platforms to provide better customer experience. Employee training promotes a skillful workforce that is capable of adapting to change in the industry. Being a customer-oriented organization, the firm puts great emphasis on personal services by using successful CRM techniques. Barfoot and Thompson has a steady online campaign which includes virtual tools and streamlined transactions. Nextly, I would like to share some views about the impact on operation management. Operation management at Barfoot and Thompson plays a virtual role in determining the number of successes or failures that this company achieves in the real estate market. The business is successful due to the quick administration of the property transactions, simplified operations, and effective workforce. Operational excellence increases satisfaction levels and helping customers build trust in the quality of products and service. And after this, I will share some points about the importance of continuous improvement in the company. For Barfoot and Thompson to stay ahead of the competition in an increasingly competitive industry, ongoing improvement is critical. A culture of continuous improvement makes the company to rise in technological innovation and changing customer preferences. Continual improvements of operational process led to the cost saving, increased efficiency, and reduction in errors related to the property transactions. Staying in front requires a steady investment and reduction in errors related with property transactions. Staying in front requires employee training to maintain skill and knowledge levels. Not only does the flexibility improve the morale of employees, but also affect directly service quality for the clients.
Okay.
And nextly, I would like likely to some operational transformation, digital integration. Firstly, Barfoot and Thompson in turn is facing operational transformation through the adoption of a modern real estate management software and integrated digital platforms. This digital integration makes property dealing straightforward, increases efficiency, and offers clients smooth online. And in the next step, employee skill enhancement. Through continuous employee training, the company is granting a competent workforce that can adapt to new technology better. Such a focus on improving employees' skills makes it possible for them to adapt rapidly changes in the industry, update their knowledge about market trends, and provide outstanding service to clients. The last one is data-driven decision making. Flowing the points of market insights with strategic decision making, Barfoot and Thompson promotes data analytics. The data-driven approach strengthens the company's chances of adapting to new marketing dynamics.
Okay, and finish. Yeah. Okay. Just now is the impact. Yeah, impact on the continuous improvement. The one
importance of continuous improvement.
Yeah. One more. You say about enhancement on the employee. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Anything else? You can add one more. Can you give me one more example?
Digital integration.
Yeah, you have covered. Any one more that you did cover in your report. One more.
That I have covered in.
No, you have not covered.
Except this.
Yeah, another one. Can you give another example? You have not covered in the report.
Another one we can, as considering myself as an employee of Barfoot and Thompson, I would like to help my clients with the banking facilities, like providing them some loan.
Okay, additional services.
Yeah, to provide them some loan,
yeah,
so that they haven't any financial problem and they can easily buy a property or a residential house for them.
Good. How about competition? You did mention about competition.
Yeah,
who are the competitors of Barfoot and Thompson? Competitors.
There are many companies and some local brokers who are competitors of Barfoot Thompson.
So obviously to be in the property market then competitors, yeah? Okay, yes. Thank you, Michael. Yeah?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.